Have you ever wanted to step right into a living storybook of indigenous culture? Let me take you to Totem Bight State Historical Park, just 10 miles north of Ketchikan, Alaska, where the forest isn't just trees, but a gallery of vibrant tradition. Back in the late 1930s, many Tlingit and Haida totem poles were falling to time, but instead of letting them fade away, a group of skilled elder carvers and their eager apprentices brought these silent storytellers back to life. With the help of the Civilian Conservation Corps, they restored and recreated stunning poles and even rebuilt a traditional clan house, complete with hand-adzed walls and a fiery central hearth. Wandering here, every pole you pass tells a story. Maybe of the raven hero, or the noble eagle, or the clever beaver. Each carving is thick with meaning, echoing the legends and lineages of the Tlingit, Haida, and Tsimshian peoples. And don't worry if you're new to the symbolism. Interpretive trails, signs, and brochures guide you every step, making it easy to connect with each tale. But Totem Bight isn't just about history, it's an experience. Picture yourself strolling through mossy rainforest, the salty air of Tongass all around you with eagles overhead and orcas in the water. The park is welcoming to everyone, with accessible trails, picnic spots, and plenty of places to pause and soak it all in. And outside the summer rush, it's free. Totem Bight isn't just a museum, it's a living legacy, a place where culture is not only preserved but still taught, shared, and celebrated. So, if you crave a taste of true heritage, this is where you'll find the magic. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.